3 months had passed since Judithe left her grandmother's home to sleep at the market with the young man. She didn't even know that sex could lead to pregnancy. Meanwhile, Judithe learned how to earn her own money by collecting bottles and scrap metals during the day. Her typical day began from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. Then reselling those at La Réunion Kiel at 2 in the morning. Sure enough, she felt pregnant 3 months into the relationship. The young man was excited as it was his first child. One day, a woman approached her angrily and confronted her, claiming that the young man was her husband. The fight became physical. The young man that she has been with for 3 months was indeed married. Judithe felt sad and betrayed. So she decided to end the relationship with him, as she did not want to be involved with a married man.